Do you know that mind reading is a natural gift we are all born with? All know what mind reading is, but not many know how to truly tap into it. However, as we grow older and are surrounded by unnecessary emotions, we tend to lose touch with it. Children, on the other hand, are still closely connected to this ability. And like any ability, this also can be enhanced with practice, mindfulness, and emotional clarity. A child is born with all the spiritual gifts, but without guidance and awareness, they may not fully realize or utilize those gifts. With the right emotional upbringing, this ability of mind reading can be enhanced into something meaningful and impactful. Raise your child mindfully. Take care.